Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Google Chrome blocks downloads, how to unblock. Open your Chrome browser. In a new tab, enter the lines that we left you in the description of the video. Here in the section, Safe Browsing, you will check the box, No Protection. You will click on the button, Turn Off to apply this change. Thus, you will be able to download without blocks in Chrome. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.